guys, welcome back to Fine Kettle Kitchen. So today is my husband's birthday, so I'm going to be making a pork and a tangy cream sauce, and it's gonna all be in the pressure cooker. So I've already prepped all the ingredients, so let's get going. All right, so I have it on sauteing the brown. I know it's non-stick, but I'm still gonna spray it anyways. I'm gonna add in 1.5 cups. I just used my thick cut pork chops that I had, and I just cut them into cubes. You can use a pork tenderloin, so you're going to salt and pepper to taste. I know people who are like, oh my god, so much salt, but it's really not, since we're making it ourselves, so you have to add the flavor to it. So we're going to let this brown for a few minutes, and then we'll continue. So I'm going to just show you the inside. So that's going to keep cooking. I have some broccoli that I'm going to roast in the oven. I drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. So when I turn the Instant Pot on to process, that's when I'll put the broccoli in. I have my sour cream ready, my tomato sauce. You can use tomato puree if you want. I have my cheese grater because I always grate in my garlic. I have 2 onions chopped. I have some cumin. I have some cilantro since I don't have any coriander. Coriander is just like a sister, the seed to cilantro. So I just want to use that up. Cayenne pepper and the garlic that I'm going to grate. So we're going to continue to brown this up, and then we'll continue. Alright, now that this is lightly browned, I'm going to add in the onion. Big enough. Grab my runaways. Then doesn't get hot. Thought it would. So we'll give that a little mix. While that's starting to soften up, I'm going to add in the garlic. As I said, I always grate in my garlic. That way you don't bite into any big chunks. And I add garlic to everything. Like I said, the flavor. I love when the heat hits fresh garlic like this. It smells so good. To get garlic and onion flavor out of your fingers, just run your fingers on your stainless steel faucet, and it gets rid of all the scent. Make sure that's off. And get that stink off my finger. Garlic. Right. So I'm going to let this go for another minute. Just until it's fragrant. I can start smelling the garlic now. Few more seconds. So while that's going, I'm going to add in my dry herbs. Onion. So we have a heaping quarter teaspoon of cumin. So some extra stragglers. We're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. I'm going to add in my tablespoon of chopped parsley. Give that a nice stir. I want to make sure the spices are evenly distributed and not just on a couple pieces. Good. So I have 1 cup of tomato. I have sauce. You can use puree. Just a little thicker, but my sauces tend to be on the thicker side. Alright. So I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of sour cream. So this is where the sour cream makes it the creamy part, and it gives a little bit of tang too. All right, so I'm gonna hit the stop button because we're no longer going to be sauteing. That little piece of herb out of here. All right, so we're gonna put this on. Make sure the steam valve is closed. Let me bring you up front and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. This, I'm gonna hit soup. We are gonna cook it for the 30 minutes. We're gonna keep it at high and we're just gonna start it. So, that's as easy peasy as it's gonna get. Put my broccoli in so it can roast. And we're cooking. It's just beeped. I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes and then I'll do a quick release for the pressure. I'm going to shut it off and I'm going to use my tongue and do a quick release. So I'm going to let this keep going and then we'll open it up. All right. So as I always say, open it away from you. Put that over there. Give this a nice little stir. And we're ready to serve.